How you doing out there, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're an online marketer who's struggling to get leads and sales into your business, this is the place for you. This is called the Power Lead System, and in the Power Lead System, one of the best features that it has unlimited capture pages that you can design to brand yourself and to be able to promote your primary business or whatever business that you may have. It will allow you to basically capture emails, and you can be able to send out emails on a daily basis, and you don't have to worry about writing out your emails as well. They have done for you autoresponders that can send out to all of your prospects, and that's one of the best things about Power Lead System. And one of the best features is the custom autoresponders and the custom bridge pages and lead capture pages that you can display for yourself. So I'm gonna show you here in the back office some of the main components and features that you can check out once you join the Power Lead System. And the first step is, get it to the Lead Lightning. And Lead Lightning is one time $7 to be able to be a part of it. So here in the back office, this is the Power Lead System, and as you can see, you have different types of funnels that you can use. You got the Lead Lightning, you got the free lead system, and the Power Lead System. The free lead system is really the first one that you get into before you get into it between the Lead Lightning and the Power Lead System. That's just for free. You can join for free, no payments, no monthly fees. It's just the free. Once you get into that, you can upgrade to the Lead Lightning, which is only $7. And then after that, it's the Power Lead System. And here's where you can promote your primary business. Now, you may not have an actual business that you could promote. You may only have the Power Lead System to promote, so that can give you a little leverage with that. But if you do have a primary business, you're going to put that link right here, so that it'll be a series of emails that will go out on the Power Lead System behalf, and also in your primary business behalf. So that's very, very incredible. It's very, very powerful that you can be able to do that. So you could take the tour right here, and this is how you can do how you can market your links. So it got a lot of instructions. One of the other main features that I like is the training back here. If you can see back here, when you hover over the training, you can see endless free leads. Now that particular training is if you guys don't have any money or enough budget to be able to pay for ads, you can be able to use that free leads mobile, where they can teach you how to market on social media for free. And you can use whether you're doing Facebook or LinkedIn or any type of social media that you can do posting and talk to other people on those social media sites. Then you got over here free ad secrets that teach you how to make free ads, how to post on your timeline, things like that. Then you also have this is a new one right here, is Lead Generation Academy. I haven't really got deep into that one yet, but I heard that that's very, very powerful as well. The Power VIP Club, this is a good one too. It has a lot of done for you capture pages that they have inside of here. Once you click in that, this is the road map to riches. This is teach you it's a blueprint that teach you how to be a successful entrepreneur. So that's very, very good. This is the Traffic Academy. This is mostly with top earners that been successful with the business. They cover some of their strategies and show you the road to success when you online. This also is this is the Master Traffic Institute. My bad. That's just the Master Traffic Academy. But both of them is very, very powerful. This is the Social Profit Academy. That's another very, very powerful tool. And right here also is the training. Now this is in the back office. I'm gonna hover over here and I'm gonna show you what this has and what features it has. This is the area where you could check out our Facebook groups where they have webinars, training. Every Wednesday, every Tuesday and Wednesday, we have new member orientation where they go over training. If you're a newcomer and you may be not used to the online world, you don't know what to do, Tuesdays is where they teach you, and in the back office give you a webinar of what the Power Lead system is all about and how you can get started. On Wednesdays we have a PSL hangout. We have a hangout session. Thursdays, Lead Generation Academy. They have it at 9 o'clock Eastern time. You'll receive emails day by day, so they'll be sending you emails to keep you updated when those hangout trainings arrive. So make sure that you check out your emails to make sure that you get those schedules. This is the compensation plan. It will show you, it got videos to tell you what levels and how much you can receive. So that's very, very powerful, once you upgrade to different levels. And it has replays as well, where it can show recaps of some of the videos that was recorded in case if you missed them. That's very, very powerful as well too. You got case studies here too that people that actually being successful with the business. You could check them out. And sometimes most of the time stories sell. Listen to other people's journey and how they overcame some of the obstacles. Very, 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 it could be very helpful, which had helped me out a lot, listening to other people's stories. So, that's why I'm giving you this video, so you can look and take step by step instructions, because this is an all-in-one platform, especially if you're struggling online. The main game is to get leads, to get target audience into your sales funnels, and to get those, capture those leads, so you can build up a relationship with your leads. And this system allows you to do that. I really promote all of my businesses with this particular program. Every last business that I market, I use Power Lead system, because I can brand out each capture page to go along with that particular business. So I can market everything that I need to do to get the chain rolling for my business. All right. So, and I'm gonna show you here in the back office too, where this system does work. As you can see, you see November 30th, which was the other day, I had leads come in. Whenever you see something that says a prospects filled out the opt-in form, those the people that had came in through that capture page. And you can check all this out. Now, if you like to get started with me with the Power Lead system, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe to this channel. If this video done some good to you, leave your comments below and I will get back in touch with you. You can hit me up on Facebook. I also, answer any types of questions and concerns that you may have. I definitely will get back in touch with you on that. All right. This is Double Up with Astro. I'll see you guys in the next video.